Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing well today. This video is to help you create your shared assignment folder for Google Drive for English 7A for this semester. The beauty of using a Google Drive shared folder is that all of your assignments in Blackboard for English 7A, for the most part, can be submitted as Google Drive documents and links and will be given to you in Google Documents as well. So Google Doc is a great way to do that. The ability to set up the shared folder is that you'll make a copy of those assignments to make them editable in your Google Drive account. And if you put those right in that shared folder, you don't have to share that assignment with me every time. All you have to do is make sure that it's in that folder, and then when you send that link my way to share it with me, it's already shared. So I won't have to request access, you don't have to remember to do it. So it's important that we kind of do that. To access and set up that folder for you, you're going to go into Gmail. So you're going to log in with your JPS email, because that's how we're always going to communicate, is through our school email, not a personal one. You're going to just log in with your password. It's going to bring you to your main email page there as well. Just a second. A little slow up today. All right. You're going to see that little Google waffle, the 9 dots that make a square up in the corner that says Google Apps. You're going to click that, and you're going to go into Drive. Now you probably don't have as many documents in your Google Drive folder as I'm going to have, but it's okay. No matter how many you have, we can work around that as well. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on New, and you're going to create a folder. And in that folder, you're going to say English 7A Fall 2018. As that's the semester that we're going to create that folder. Now mine popped up alphabetically, so it popped up right here. I'm going to click on that folder, and you're going to notice that nothing is in there. I can always go in and add a Google Doc, a Google Sheet, a Google Slide, which we'll do in presentations, and those sorts of things. And everything in there will be shared. So the next step of that process is we need to go into Information. They moved it on me. There we go. You're going to click on the title of the folder at the top. So English 7A Fall 27, and you're going to click Share. So then what you're going to do is you actually want to share it directly with me. So you're going to hit my name and type my email in, ckuiper@jpsonline.org. And then you're going to give me options. You can have me organize, add, and edit, which I don't necessarily need that as much because I can still comment and suggest things if I don't have editing rights there too. But I do want to be able to edit some documents, so just keep it set up there. And I promise I'll leave comments on your documents and I'll suggest things, but I'll never edit them without letting you know. And then all you're going to do is you're going to click Send. Right? So now that you have sent that with me, I'll get a notification in there. And all that's going to allow me to do is see your information. Your next step is you're just going to create a document here real quick. So you're going to go in and create a doc. And you're going to share it with me. And I'll show you how to do that in just a sec. So you're going to call this doc 1.2 Google Folder Assignment. And all I want you to do is write, this is a document that allows Mr. Kuiper to access my folder, see my assignments. Then all you're going to do, folks, is you're going to copy that URL because you already shared it with me. You're going to copy this URL and you're going to pop it right in the comment box within Blackboard and under the submission link. And then as long as I can access it and I have those editing rights, you're going to be all set and ready to go. And you'll get your 5 points. If you have questions, please reach out, let me know. Otherwise, have a good week and reach out with any new questions. Thanks, everyone.